I'm at the Brasstown RC Flying Club here in Brasstown, North Carolina, and it's looking kind of dark back there behind me, and the wind is, it's not bad right now, so I'm going to have to be careful that I don't get a downburst while I'm out here trying to fly a couple of my aircraft. So this is my Hotwing that you saw crash earlier today, and what happened was I had reached down, and you could see it in the video, to adjust the timer. I was trying to turn the timer on, and the aircraft went into a little bit of a bank, and when I looked up, it was a little bit too late for me to recover. So this white area you see right here is where it cracked, and I was able to fix it. Down here you can see an area where on the end of the wing it broke off. I still got a little trim work to do on the glue that I did, the glue that I placed there, and down here on the other end this broke too. So I had several breaks. It was pretty significant. I actually haven't fired it up yet to see if the motor works, but I feel confident that it will. But I really thought the plane was actually going to be destroyed. It was going to have to be thrown out. So I did a lot of gluing. I'll do a little paint work on it, but I think it's going to fly again. Okay, so I'm back out here the day after I crashed my Hotwing. I got it fixed, I think, so I'm going to give it a test flight and see how it flies. But here it is. You really can't tell just by looking at it what all had happened. But when you get real close, you can see the paint that I had to put on it. It's a little bit of a different color. And I was able to paint over the ends of it where I had to do a lot of gluing, so we'll see how it works. I hope that it's balanced well.